Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Do you love a good quality gel polish just as much as I do? If that's the case, this 6-piece nude collection is going to have to be added to what you have. This is such a beautiful, high quality gel polish, and it is so easy to work with. First of all, the color selection in this 6-piece collection is so great. I love that they are so smooth and so easy to work with. I like the fact that you can do very thin layers and to get a solid opaque color without it being thick and chunky. I love that aspect. If you want to do just one coat, you still get a great pigment. I am so happy with this collection, and honestly, I know you will be too. And that's my point of view.